In today's video, I am going to teach you how to combine text and image in Canva. We'll create two clean professional looks, text that sits perfectly behind your subject while keeping the original background, and a bold effect where an image fills the letters of your text. Both are fast to do and look great in thumbnails, posters, and social posts. Start by opening your design in Canva so you are working on the exact layout or size you need. Upload your image from the Uploads panel or drag it in. Then place it on the canvas and scale it to your liking. Next, add your text. A strong chunky font like Archivo Black works especially well because its thicker letter forms make the effects stand out. Type your headline or phrase and size it so it interacts with the subject in your photo. You want the text close enough to tuck behind the subject without hiding important details. Now duplicate your image so you have two copies stacked on top of each other. Select the top copy. Open Edit Image and choose Background Remover. Once the background is removed, you'll have a clean cutout of your subject on that top layer. The original full image with its background remains underneath. Select your text and use the Position menu to manage the layers. Move the text so it sits behind the cutout subject but still in front of the bottom image. If anything looks off, keep the Position menu open and nudge layers forward or backward until the overlap looks natural. A small tweak in the text size or placement can help your subject pop while keeping the background intact. For the second technique, placing images inside text, go to the Apps tab and search for Font Frame. Open the app, type your text, and then choose the image you want to fill the letters. The image will automatically map inside the text. From here, customize the font if alternatives are available in the app, and scale or reposition the image within the letters until the key part of your photo shows through clearly. Larger, simpler words usually read best, and subtle adjustments to letter or line spacing can improve legibility while keeping the visual punch. That's it. Thanks for watching.